Good morning! Hello, baby! Yay! It's his birthday today, so I prepared something for baby! So as you can see, we have here a box. A big box. Okay? And there are some flags. So, mayroon pong regalo si baby inside the box. At bago niya po mabuksan yon or bago niya makuha, he has to identify first those flags. Yay! Are you ready, baby?
Ready? Okay, say, yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Oh, he just woke up, so wala pa siya sa mood. Kailangan niya muna mag-milk, and let's see each other again later. Dun, 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 dun.
Subscribe.
Everyone,
Hello, everyone.
good morning.
Morning.
It's my
It's my
birthday
birthday
today.
today.
Yay! So, baby.
Ito ay master.
Yes. So, this box,
Box master.
yes, has something inside, and that is for you.
Sa
Yay!
big master. Tulog pa si master.
Akala niya big monster yung nasa loob. So, ayan. I'm so excited to
Tulog
see
pa si master.
your reactions.
Tulog pa si master, mama.
Yes, tulog pa. So, hindi pa po kami naliligo. Mamaya na lang.
Ito
Kasi
pala
excited na si baby na mag-identify ng flags. So, yun nga, bago niya buksan ang box na ito, he has to identify first all the flags in here. And let's start, baby. Are you ready? Say, yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready. Oh, nakakalaglag.
It's okay. Alright, so let's start in here, baby. Which country's flag is this? Which country's flag is this? Oh, okay lang yan. Which country's flag is this, baby?
Oh.
Ang dami pa talastas yung nakakita ng ant. That's okay, baby. Wala na. Alright, let's start, baby. Let's start with this one. Yeah. Yes, it's okay. Sana. Finding the ant. Finding the ant. Alright. Wala na po. Now, let's start, baby. Opo. Which country's flag is this?
Ako na yung pinta.
Opo. Ito, which country's flag is this? Which country's flag is this? Show them.
Thailand.
Yay! Thailand! Okay, very good, baby. How about this? Which country's flag is this?
America.
America! Yay! Next. Ta-da! Which country's flag is this? I'm so busy.
Taiwan.
Taiwan! Show them. Taiwan!
Taiwan.
Yay! Okay. Da-da-da-dan! Which country's flag is this?
Cambodia.
Cambodia! Well done! Okay, how about this?
Philippines.
Ayan, pangit na napagkakaprint ng Philippines. Okay, how about this, baby?
France.
France! Alright. Next. Da-da-da-dan. Japan! Whoa!
Shopping.
How about this? Tingin ka doon sa camera. How about this? What's this? Oh, Mama will help you, okay. What's this? Which country's flag is this? Okay, okay. Which country's flag is this, baby? Which country's flag is this? Ito. Ito muna, ito. Which country's flag is this?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Well done. Okay. It's okay, you sit down. Alright. Put them down here first. Alright, good job. Okay. Yes, baby, that's yours. Next. Dun, 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 dun. Which country's flag is this?
Brazil.
Brazil. Yes. Okay, how about this?
Singapore.
Singapore. Okay, next.
Nepal.
Nepal. Show them the Nepal.
Nepal.
Okay, yay. Nice going, baby. What about this?
Italy.
Show them the Italy.
Italy.
Yay. Alrighty. Okay, next.
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Show them. Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yes. Baby, double high five. It's okay, just put them down. Double high five. Show me a big smile. Okay. Next flag is
Canada.
Canada. Wow. Very good job, baby. What about this? Look here. Oh no! Wait a moment. Okay, this. India. Yay! What about this? Korea. South Korea. Okay, baby, next. South Korea. Next.
China.
Yes, ang pangit din ng ng China. Oh. China. Oh, sorry po. Next! Which country's flag is this?
Kuwait.
Kuwait! Alright, now how about this? Iraq. Wow, baby, last one. Dun, 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 dun. Which country's flag is this?
Iraq.
What's that?
Iraq.
This one is Iraq. This one is Iraq. How about that?
Iran.
Iran. Show them the Iran. Show them the Iran. 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 Yay. Wow, baby. Show them all the flags. Yay. Great job, baby. Yes, monster naman. So we're going to, as I've said, nasagot ni baby lahat at na-identify niya yung mga flags. So it's time to open the box. I'm so excited. Okay. Wait, let's. Yes. Baby. Let's put it down here. Oh. Okay, we will find out what's in the box. Yes, okay. Okay, wait po. Hanapin muna namin ang gunting. And 3, 2, 1.
One eternity later.
Oh, and yes, we are ready to open his gift. Okay, baby, come here. Come here. Dun, 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 dun. What is inside this box, baby? Monster. Monster. Come here. Come here. Happy birthday to you. My cake? He's trying to guess what's inside. He said, my cake daw sa loob. Okay. excited?
Ano basta?
Wow! Wow! What's this? It's a bike! Wow! Ayun muna. Wow! It's a bike! Walang monster. It's a bike. Sirain na natin yung box. Ano ba to? Do you like it, baby? Ha? Yay! Wow! Come here, come here. Dito ka. Wow! Baby is so happy. Are you happy? Happy. Say, I'm happy.
I'm happy Halloween.
You're happy Halloween. Ah, okay. Can you sing the happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
I sing happy birthday to yourself now. Happy birthday to you. Uy! Wow! Laki. This box is so big. Ani? Akin ba to? Wow! Mamaya, isit na. Baby, turn around, turn around. Yay! Whose bike is this? Mama's bike? Mama? Wow! Oh, baby, wait. Hindi pa matanggal. Wait lang. So hard to do tayo, baby. So this is what we did first thing in the morning. This is what we're doing first thing in the morning because my baby is so excited to see the monster.
Hindi yan bike.
Hindi monster. Ani? Bike pala.
Bike pala yun.
Yes! Are you happy, baby?
Happy.
Happy, happy, happy to
Happy
be.
Halloween.
So it's a happy birthday.
Ayaman ito
Oh, hindi matanggal din. Wow! Ouch! Tanggalin mo na. Sirain mo na. Yeah! Yay! Palis-palis na si mama ni baby. And here you are! It's what is this, baby? Bike. What color is the bike?
Blue bike.
Blue bike. Do you like it? I like it. Yay! Ta-da! Yay! 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 Wow! You wanna try it? Ah!
Bike.
Bye! Do you like it? Oh, you say thank you, Sa? Thank you, Daddy and Mama.
Thank you, Mama and Mama.
How about Daddy? Thank you, Daddy. I say thank you to Daddy first.
Tabula.
Yes.
Black.
Yeah, it's color black. Black, sorry. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
I love it.
I like it.
Ganito ka. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
And thank you po.
Thank you po.
Sa
siya.
Nanonood. So, let's show them your bike. So, it's a Spider-Man po ang kanyang design. And 12 inches siya. So, baby, can you try here? You sit down here. Yes! High five to mama! High five! High five! High five! Busy na siya. Happy birthday, baby! Okay, tatanggalin na po muna namin. And later again. Bye-bye for now!
A few moments later.
Birthday! Happy birthday! Huh? You're going to pay me? Give me. Happy birthday! Oh! Ayusin mo to. Ayusin mo to. Yes! Okay. Happy birthday to you. Say thank you. Daddy, thank you. I love it. What color is the bike? How about this box? What color is this? Black. Alright. Yay! Good job. Blue, red, and yellow and white. Oh? Ah, okay po. Eh, there is white. Oh, ito white. Yung linings. Hindi kasali. Okay. Kunin mo nga yung posto. Baby! Happy birthday to you! Ay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ew! To you! Happy birthday to you! Bastos ka pa na, mami. Opo, sir.
Wala na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Blow na! And 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sabi mo, thank you po! I love you po!